Hello. Welcome to my channel, my friends. Nice question. In this video, I will solve a two Math Olympiad question. In both cases, I will use the rules of the natural logarithm. Please don't forget to like and follow. Now, the equation goes to infinity, so I want to call the part that goes to infinity a. Now x power a equals a. A. Now let's take the natural logarithm, the equation. ln x power a equals ln e. Rule 1. ln e equals 1. Rule 2. ln a power 2 b times ln a. Now a times ln x equals rule 1 ln a equals 1. Now divided by a 2 ln x equals 1 over a. Now rule 3 ln x equals log a to x. Log a x equals 1 over a. Now x equals a power 1 over a. Answer. Now I will solve the other Math Olympiad question. Please listen carefully. This question will improve you a lot. Let's get started. Now. Hello. Welcome to my channel, my friends. Beautiful question. In this video, we will solve a different question. Let's see what awaits us. Firstly, let's take the natural logarithm of both sides. Now, ln x power x ln x in bracket ln a power a. Rule 1 ln a power b b times ln a. Now look at this, and hop. Then x power ln x times ln x in bracket equals a times ln a. Rule 2 ln a equals 1. Yes. Now let's make a name here. Let's ln x equals m. Natural logarithm. This is a x equals m. careful. Then e power m
Nope.
power m times m equals, look at this, 1 equals a. Now divided by m, whoop, whoop, whoopa. E power m equals e over m. Now, again, take the natural logarithm of both sides. ln e power m equals ln e over m. Rule 3. A power b power c equals a power b times c. Look at this. Whoop. Yes. ln e power m square equals ln e over m. Rule 4. ln a over b in bracket equals ln a minus ln b. Hey, my friends, are you there? Nice question. Listen to me, please. Follow and like me. Now, m square, oops. Now, m squared times ln e equals ln e minus ln m. ln e equals 1 m squared equals 1 minus ln m. Then, again, make a name here. M equals e power a. Yes, be careful. A power a squared equals 1 minus ln e power a. Then a power 2a equals 1 minus a times ln e. Yes, equals 1. A power 2a equals 1 minus a. Yes. E power 2a, whoop, plus a minus 1 equals 0. Now, think. Question. This function always continues to increase. Then, bigger than 0. Now, think. Yes, a equals 0 implies a power 2 0 plus 0 minus 1 equals 0. 1 plus 0 minus 1 equals 0. 0 equals 0. Yes. A 0. Then A equals 0 implies M. Look at this. M equals e power 0 equals 1. M equals 1. M, look at this. M. Yes. M, very important. M equals ln x implies x equals e power 1 equals a, x equals a, give me, x, a answer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.